Walter Nyambaga ni gero ma anyway riwruoge mochung'ne kedo ne ratiro mag oganda koro wacho ni pod nitiere obadho mathoth mamono chenro mag yiero bedo ma huyanga e thur kaendi. Kane otelnegi kod mano mochung'ne nono kaka yiero itimo e thur ka ELOG, ginyiso luoro ni okang' mar pinje ma oko donjore e chenro mag yiero ma pachoka en achiel kuom obadho ma IEBC onego kwedi mokalo. Ni yor lony manyasani ma kinde duto itiyo godo kinde yiero onego non kendo jopiny oyud puonj maler e wi chal margi.
At the end of the week, change.
Yeah, please call him.
We have had continuous disputed elections. Basically means people are not really getting all the information relevant for them to be able to accept how results coming through. So that those consistent issues where we dispute, we go to court, I think from 2007, 2013, 2017, 2022, there's been disputes about these presidential elections. And most of it comes from the issue of, in terms of engagement, communication, and sharing of information. Because when you participate in an election, it is expected as a candidate that you'll get all the required information.
I think it's in 2013 and 2017 as well. I am not sure about 2022, where we had embedded researchers in the judiciary to serve as reference point for judges hearing electoral disputes. In regard to political parties, CMD and other stakeholders have invested heavily in strengthening the capacity of internal dispute resolution mechanisms of political parties, including supporting political parties to decentralize these services. You can imagine a young mother who's contesting for an MCA position, traveling all the way from Marsabit to Nairobi, a party headquarters, for her matter to be listened to. But we
institutions and citizens are participating effectively in setting the agenda for policy formulation and reforms around elections.